for you. Aren't you special? It's like from Unk. I hate like they abbreviated it from. I can never remember what it is. What's that? I actually regret doing that massive refactor where I make everything unique. Because it's like supposed to block more events if the value hasn't changed uniquely. Which is nice, but it's just a pain in the ass to work with. So I'd rather have slightly more buggy code than deal with all the things. Okay, now we actually need to make the input. We put it in the writer as well, right? How does this work, event right? I think we just wrap it around. We just put a render around it. Right, there you go. Get like a tuple out. And write T, and now we get the event out. You don't even need to tell what it is. Fine, we'll just figure it out. Event. I bet it doesn't compile because I can figure it out event. We can ignore it though. That's fine. All you need to do semi-group. Huh? Is it like change semi-group? I hope so. We can say it's a list. That's a great way of hacking around. You can say like, we'll just pretend it's a non-empty list and then use the first non-empty head or something. So we have to do this, guys. We have to say non-head. Really, otherwise it wouldn't work. I love that this works. I get a point of the polymorphic monad bullshit now. Because now this monad can write that event out without the entire widget. Like this entire widget doesn't even know that that event exists. Like change. We can still tell about it. So we'll do like a data input. Data input. And then right, we maybe also need to modify this thing to be dynamic. But we'll do that later. Let's just keep it simple now. We'll make the events update probably. And data input, input settings. What is input settings is for username? I still think I need to select it. Let's look. We need to select the user. It's so right. Oh, I remember. It's probably that. Well, I don't know. Just need to change it. It's kind of annoying. Oh no, we can get it from the current and then do nothing for user day cell. Or we add another event. Trivial to add. I think that's probably the best idea to make one that only changes username. Still, we need to know. Let's just void this and then see if this works. You also probably need to be in field. Name set. Oh, you don't know about data input. That's fine. Oh, I'm not undo. Let's even add the label. Oh, it is added because of data input, right? That's actually kind of nice. I think. Of course, you change the label with like selected or whatever. But this is the old render. Because of the pre-rendering, it doesn't update. Oh, I lied. Maybe we need to wait for this finish. What the hell? Wait, this is still file watch, isn't it? I completely forgot to put on GCID. What the hell's wrong with me? I guess I was happy with file watch. This is way faster. Why didn't that be? I'm gonna have a quick break. Be back in like 5 minutes. What do we have? Oh, I didn't even make a break screen. That's a problem. Quick break. Okay, gamers. That's loud. Should have finished compiling now. I hope. Well, however, let's go to common again. I think to fix the styling. I don't know. No, I think it's actually like correct. Just because there's nothing here, you don't. It looks off, but it's not. Maybe if you put like this thing there, it'd be better. We can't really do that though. So we need to have another monad. That would actually be kind of nicer if we make this just a dynamic and then do another column class multi-line below it, or just specifically for the planner and not for the other one. And then it would just be a lot cleaner. Basically, you want to do pure in either. Yeah, I think that's better. Then we just like repeat the multi-line thing below it. You have the columns here and then another set of columns here, and then we can modify it freely. It's a lot less hacky as well. It's just weird. Good like. So yeah, let's do that. Everything breaks, it's fine. We'll structure our app properly. Now it's starting to invent a monad around it. Thanks, man. Just picking some random one. Would expect F0 or something. Picking something. Trying to confuse you. Pure. Right. No, we don't need the writer anymore either. Because we're gonna put that in. We can do it outside. We can catch the event and You don't need to hack that way because it's a bit more simple as a solution. I can make that later. This is like more involved than I thought. But it's also because I got distracted with refactoring a lot. But I don't feel bad. Where are the buttons? Okay. So this is the form, and we're gonna move it outside of the planner, which has the button. Well, maybe not. Maybe we'll put it in. It is still part of the form, I think. The buttons, like this thing is not a button. You need to face it, man. You're not a button. You may think you're a button, but you're not. You're a drop down, and you're also not a button. So maybe we'll move these two things out, and then put them inside. Yeah. All right. We also need to fix ask. It's not a problem. Just remove one pure. You're less pure now. That makes sense. I like it. Jared's also a bad name. Bad. Don't do that. So what we do is we make these two columns. So multi-line class. And then. Right. There. And here we put the other through. Need to hook them up again. What does it know? Why is the pop-up like that now and not? Why does it just do it? I have many. Actually, good. But events. So 3 and 4 need to be put in here. This is gonna be a bit complicated. Also, whatever. So you're no longer that. How wise this is. But they have it. Die. You don't know what rooms? Alright, we need a pass step to print better form. Plan form. Flip it again. Oh, annoying. Okay. Button. Oh, this one. I'm cursing. This was stuck in your head for so long. This song, I mean. On the prowl. To your message when you upload the stream to YouTube. Gotcha. Okay. Thanks, Mr. Bot. Things seems to be working. Alright, so I need to try and look up if the name that's being entered here is available in our map of users. At the moment, we don't have that at all. Seriously, look at how it looks now. I just did something. These two should be moved here, and yeah. Oh, crap. What's it doing? It's no longer in a button group or something. Oh, it's in another column. What? Actually, I can see that work. Yeah. Have them all be in separate columns, huh? So yeah, we need to give plainin access to whatever users exist. Roster all in was about that. Plainin. Edit roster. Roster edit. That's we give him just access to this thing. Uses. Pass this through to the other one. You can pass it to planner. I'm even considering to make like a reader out of this as well. It's used a lot now, I think. Map of use. And then finally we arrive at planning form. Yeah. Right. Good point. So one thing I want to use it for is to check if the validation. But the other thing I want to use it for is create events. And we can do the create event right now, basically. The validation thing, I need to modify the input, unfortunately. So what this thing will return is like a maybe dynamic. No. It will do. It will do like 2 maybe or something. I don't know. There you have it. I'll see you later, man. No worries. Try to help people out with the stream. Yeah, like I'm looking forward to your app. Sounds awesome. For me, the best way to learn is always to build something. Anyway. Res. Map to maybe. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? So this will be username, right? This will be dynamic username. And then we want to use that value. Not sure how. Actually, maybe it's better just to put it in here then. We want to use that maybe value. Maybe dynamic. We can use the updated rest maybe? Updated rest and then attach with. What? I'm seeing it in front of me, but I don't know how it works. That reflect. No, reflex Haskell. We just need a quick peek at how that ampersand thing works. I believe it's possible to use that thing to combine the two. Okay, we need to fmap a function inside here. What do we want to know? We want to view at the username. Let's view. I don't like how this add thing works. I think, yeah, like this. Y is then there. Cool. View at that thing. We'll do current users. So now it's a behavior. Current users. It's a map of blah blah blah. I was viewing at it. Now we need to jam that thing against it, which is a no nothing. Update it. Rest. Oh no, not like this. This. Behavior is left. Oh. And it will take first a map in here. And then we'll take another argument, which will be the username, and we'll put it in there to view that. And then we get the event, this one, TA, which is the username. Well, this dynamic is like, it contains the username, right? And we make an event out of it, and then we block all events that are nothing. And we result with just like only username. It won't be a maybe username, but it will always be a username. So that's like the time abstraction helping us out there. And then we can do no nothing again. Because the resulting event will also be maybe, because it may not exist. I'm starting to think like that this way of updating the whatever is selected, it's just kind of non-extensible way of doing it. Because the amount of shit I have is selectable may grow over time, but just creating a unique sum for each possible way of updating it is just weird. And I'm thinking of maybe doing it by primitive, and then be able to do a list of updates you want to do. Or maybe just pass a function around. That's even better maybe. Select to select. Actually we can do that. We call it YOLO. You can put like a lens composition in there. Oh, it's actually pattern matching on it, right? What are the YOLO? So then you can just do arbitrary updates to the select, put whatever you want, and you don't need to keep on defining the thing. It seems kind of dumb to model it like. We're doing the same reduction. It's just a lot of boilerplate. Why don't they just pass down a function that will do the update for me? What the hell? He passes a function like this, then the update can be anything you want. And in this case, I just want to modify the date. Get the old value and then change it, put whatever change. Can I? I can just stack whatever I want in there. I don't know, I don't want to refactor everything else, so maybe I'll just do the YOLO thing. Call it with fun. I'll select it to select it, huh? Oh, you want to be generic, huh? Or show an egg? Why do you want to fuck? Why do we want that? Why do you want to be egg? What's so good about being egg and show? You don't have to be using that. You'll be much better off if you not show an egg. I bet. It can be generic though. Oh. What? Expected type validation E. Blah. Actual type dynamic T. Which line is that? 23. 73. Oh, you're like, oh right, you need to fmap twice. The fmap, why? 2? No, it is map twice. Carbon on scope map. nothing. It's like build max events, right? Reflex build max events. Does this work? Image type event 63, huh? Expected type M, post entry implant cells. Actual type users selected room. Applied to too many arguments. Oh. Wait, what? 63. Oh, it's in plainin. So select place. Maybe let it save. Oh, yeah. Plainin, you don't know. Map. Oh, why would you go to that? Just do it by heart. Go strict.map? I don't know. Data map, there you go. 47. 70. Oh, roster. Employees didn't select it in place. Looks good to me. Feel this is incremental bullshit. Yeah. What? I guess we'll do file watch again. Maybe it's also time to end it, I don't know. Yeah, I've been going for a while now, so I think I'm gonna end it. But yeah, we didn't really finish it, unfortunately. Let's see. I think we got a long way though, mostly because we got distracted by refactoring. Also, I started talking a lot about the video edit, which mostly seems to work now. It's cool. Where do I have my... Oh, I closed it, right. Just go down a list until I memorize it. Probably will never memorize it. Commit summary, okay, cool. Like, I'm currently busy doing the refactoring and hooking up the individual events together, but yeah, I'm a bit out of energy at this point, so I don't think I can continue. I'm getting distracted, whatever. Well, fix this one maybe. It is broken on 78. What? This is roster. What was I looking at? Roster 19. Wait, it's lying to me? It was lying to me. Oh, there's another one. For side input, right. We'll give it the usernames as well then. This is why it probably should be a reader, because I'm just passing it around everywhere and not really using it until the edge cases. And like the selected is also a prime candidate for that. What? No side input is fucked. Okay, cool. I actually got it to build. Okay, let's look at it then. I want to look at it. Yeah, let's quickly make this GCD thing compile and then look at it. We'll have listened to that so often now at this point. Yeah, well, let's look at the checklist. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good stream. Not as busy as yesterday, but that's fine. I think I haven't streamed much on Tuesday, so that's partly it. Thanks everyone for watching, if you're still around. I think most people have, but that's fine. And I want to go to the ending overlay. And unfortunately, we're not going to raid today because there are only 2 people left. But that's fine. That's fine. I do this for fun, so whatever. Yeah, so see you guys. Not tomorrow, because I have a meetup. I'll be back on Thursday, probably. Let's actually look at the calendar. I should actually make a schedule, probably, for streaming. Yeah, Thursday is fine. So I'll be back on Thursday, probably, at 5. See you guys then. Bye-bye.